Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to put the notifications. And today's video is going to be about what's in my baby's baby bag. So this is her baby bag. I do a backpack because it's easier for me. Literally, I've tried every baby bag probably there is because I have two sons. So backpacks just work best for me. You can even do a little backpack. What's packed in her bag is stuff that we use basically like going to the store, going to the mall. Some are close by. So this is just for, you know, what you're packing to be able to just go somewhere real quick and come back. So let's get started and see what's in this bag. So I decided to use, my mom had gave me this Coach bag a long time ago and I never used it till now. Right now I have her keychain, which, you know, my daughter's name is Alina, so it's with the A. And then I got this sanitizer off Amazon, and then this one was literally I think came in a set of 8 or 10, and I think it was $6. So these two little puffs, her dad got her from, I think, the dollar store. And then this little keychain too, it's like with some little crystals, and that I believe I got at Claire's and stuff. But yeah, so let's go through the first zipper. And in here I have, in my last video, if you guys kind of watched it, I have a taser. This is only for my protection and stuff, so I have my taser in here. You can find this on Amazon if you didn't see my other video, and it's just a little pink taser. And that's the first pocket. And then the next zipper pocket is literally, see, this has silk in it and stuff. So we have our nose drops, which this little remedies and stuff is literally like the best, like, because breastfed babies have congestion and stuff, and she gets it really bad. This has helped me. Desitin, just in case she has like a little rash or diaper like irritation and stuff, this is the best little cream. I've never had issues with it. I have a little lotion in case she has like little dryness and stuff. Like I said, this is just more for you to go somewhere real quick. You don't need to have that kind of stuff in there, but I just do just in case. And then the next zipper in here, because there's like 3. And this bag, I believe, costs like $250. You don't have to get a backpack like this. You can use any backpack and it'll do. But I have like her burp cloths and stuff, which, you know, obviously if you've had a baby or not, you're going to need a lot of these. So I suggest getting some bibs too. But yeah, I have like 3 in this bag. And then the bigger zipper, which is right here, I have a blanket, and then I have this cute little bag, right? I put little bags in the backpack, and this has all her little socks. So this literally has all socks in case, you know, she loses one or whichever in the car. I have 2 outfits, literally some pants, so a onesie, and sweaters. So 2 outfits, you guys, just in case she throws up or she poops, which that's what happens, you know, when you have a little baby. They end up pooping all over themselves or peeing through their diaper. Depends, you know, maybe you put the diaper on wrong, you were out there and you rushed. So it's good to have an extra outfit. And then this little clear thing has all her diapers to keep them organized and stuff. I just used it as a clear container for her diapers so I could just find it. I have a changing pad in here, and then I also have some wipes. So that's, oh, and 2, which I recommend, going to the dollar store, getting some like poop bags in case you are somewhere and you don't want her poop or his poop to smell. Go ahead and just wrap it up in this, and it contains that smell. If you guys don't know, just go to the dollar store. They have like packs of these. And that's about it. You know, you don't really need too much when you're going out and about. Like I said, I like to carry a backpack because it ends up like you know, it's just easier. You're carrying the car seat, plus you have the backpack, and then you have the stroller. Just makes life simple. Instead of having a strap right here and stuff, it's just irritating. And that's basically what I would recommend if you're a new parent. So that's what I have. If you want to, you can, if it's too hot or whatever, just put what is it, those baby, they're like thin blankets. I can't think of what it's called, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'll put it in the corner for you guys to see, and then I'll, you know, link it or whatever. But a lot of stuff you can find on Amazon, you guys. And yeah, that's what's in my baby's bag. Hope that helps. And, you know, for those new parents, I hope that's helpful for you guys. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to hit the notifications and subscribe, you guys. Bye.